just so rudely come out here and cut the music down. What's going on with that referee?
I got a little problem with this referee you've got here now, and I'm going to watch a few of his matches. He's not what he should be. And what he should be, I'm going to learn him how to be. Is that understood?
I can't stand jumping Jigsaw. I can't stand him. Look at him. What did you say, Jigsaw, Montana? Come on, kill Jigsaw. Oh! Give up, Jigsaw. Give up. Hey, let me tell you something, Montana. I wouldn't give you $1.50 for that hoochie hanging around the ring.
Well, she cost $1.75, so I guess you won't.
Hey, brother, let me tell you, Pimp Daddy, about your girls. The Fort McClellan's closed down. You're going to have to roll back the prices. Unless you salvage most of that. And that's starting with Beth right here on the corner. Hey, that's illegal, ref. Hey, Karen, you know you better be quiet because you still better give me change back out of that 45 cents. Look at her, see? Rhonda, you see that? She owes me money. Hey, what did you say, Yabba? Jabba the Hutt? You look like something on Star Wars. Attack of the Clones. Hey, Diana, you don't have to worry about shaking up and down. There ain't nothing going to fall out. Just keep it going. I got her. Come on, Jigsaw, give up. Hey, Johnny Stassel, how about watching the match and get your eyes off of her? Hey, shut up. That's illegal, ref. Montana, that was illegal, and you know it. Referee, Ed, I hope you're keeping an eye on this. I hope you're keeping an eye on this.
I see a lot of illegal stuff out here in the crowd.
That's illegal right there sitting beside Karen. That's Karen and her girls. That's illegal right there. I'm watching you. Hey, he's using his fist, ref. The little long hair, war skipping hippie. Oh, I like that, brother. There it is. He's dead. Yep. Go, Mike, go. Oh, that ain't Mike. Oh, excuse me. That ain't Mike Jackson. Oh! Ring a bell. Hey, what was that about, referee?
That was his slow.
Uh-oh. Oh, Jamie Richards. Look. Ooh. Oh, my God. Oh, no. He spit on him. He spit on him right there in the middle of the ring.
I thought he blew a booger on him.
Jamie Richards spit on him. What is she doing? What are you doing, ref?